The Vegoran Steel Pan with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It measures 13 inches in diameter. This makes it a good size for cooking many different meals. You can easily fry eggs or make a large omelet. The pan is made of stainless steel. This means it is strong and will last a long time. It also comes with a cooking lid. The lid helps to trap heat and moisture. This can make your food cook more evenly and quickly. This Vegoran steel pan with lid has a non-stick surface. Food won't easily stick to the bottom. This makes cooking and cleaning much easier. Plus, the pan is PFOA free. This is a bonus because it means no harmful chemicals will get into your food. You can even put this Vegoran steel pan with lid in the dishwasher. Cleaning up after cooking will be a breeze. It is also oven safe. This gives you even more ways to cook your favorite dishes. It truly suits many household cooking needs. Overall, the Vegoran steel pan with lid is a reliable and versatile frying pan. It has a good size and a durable steel construction. The non-stick surface works well, and it's easy to clean. While it might not have fancy détails from brands like Gipfel or the excitement of a woot deal, it gets the job done. If you need a solid, no-fuss frying pan, this Vegoran steel pan with lid is a sensible choice. It's a workhorse in the kitchen, not a Bella showpiece, but it performs consistently. Pros: PFOA free, dishwasher safe, oven safe 13-inch size, with cooking lid, easy to clean. Durable build, even heating. Cons: some report sticking, return policy issues seen, durability concerns raised, not fully. Non-stick for some, quality issues reported, potential for defects, instant non-stick, may not be best value. Features: stainless steel pan, with cooking lid 13-inch size, non-stick surface, PFOA free. Dishwasher safe, oven safe, cooking fry pan, easy to clean, durable build. This Vegoran 13-inch frying pan is made of stainless steel and comes with a lid. It has a non-stick surface, so food will not easily stick to it. This pan is also PFOA free, which means it's made without certain harmful chemicals. You can wash it in the dishwasher, and it's safe to use in the oven for cooking. The pan is designed to be easy to clean and is built to last for a long time. This 13-inch Vegoran stainless steel frying pan comes with a lid and boasts a non-stick surface that is PFOA free. It's advertised as safe for dishwashers and ovens, easy to clean, and built to last with even heating. However, some users have reported issues with food sticking, concerns about its long-term durability and overall quality, inconsistent non-stick performance, and potential problems with their return policy, suggesting it might not be the best value for everyone.